So Ratty is currently bringing in the brand new for us motherboard that we have acquired. It is very old, I believe. It was made in 2006.
Maybe.
We will be spray painting it pure white with the spray paint that we have purchased here. It will allow us to make this motherboard be pure white, and we are going to hang it on a display on the wall.
Alright, let's do this.
It's a bit dirty.
Yeah, I can see the shade from the old ones.
Oh, that shows though. Okay, that didn't work. I just got paint on my finger. Okay, so I have to stay at like a relatively straight angle.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll have to do all angles, because otherwise it's going to be painted from this angle but not other angles.
Dude, I'm trying not to shake this, but this bee keep going around my head.
Oh, yikes.
But you're doing good.
Yeah. Motherboard, which we are spray painting white.
Yeah.
We have another one just over there on my chair, and this one needs to get a second layer as there is a lot of color that still shows through. So we're gonna add a second layer to this on camera, and we're going to spray paint for the first time the motherboard that's over there using this here white spray paint that I have right here. So let's head outside.
Now we got a bunch of parts down while we're doing the second coating.
Like literally, I forgot it out in the rain. See?
You left it in the rain.
I forgot it in the rain. But
Well,
it's like there's just a bit of dirt that we can like clean it with the compressed air.
Looking crisp. Yeah, you could use help.
Thank you. Sprays out the liquid and the liquid like freezes anything it touches. It's really weird.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I did it.
I told my friend that, they didn't believe me, and I was like, okay. But it's true.
Alright, looking good.
I don't know how it's supposed to work, but I suppose that there's something. I think the art looks great. I think it's gonna look great too once we frame it.
Yeah.
Hang up.
Eventually,